Hi, this is Beth Gibson with the Oldendorp Group, and welcome to 23 Buckingham Drive in Madison. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2 full bath ranch enjoys many updates and is situated on a quiet street just blocks to town, New York City trains, and top-rated schools. The eat-in kitchen with stainless steel appliances opens to a family room with access to the patio and fenced-in yard. The living room with bay window and dining room are perfect for entertaining. 3 bedrooms, one of which is the master, 1 full bath, and a 1-car garage complete the first floor. If you're looking for 1-floor living that is blocks to the thriving downtown of Madison, you'll find your palace at Buckingham Drive. For more information about this home, please reach out to the Oldendorp Group.